Latest updates about Samsung Galaxy Note 20. What's up guys, and we are back with the latest information and leaks about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. The Samsung very known website teases this image on which there is S10 Plus on left, S20 on the right, and people are guessing the middle one as the Galaxy Note 20. But logically it is not even possible because it's still working on the phone and there is a lot of work to do which will take time to show the official image. The latest update we got is that the Galaxy Note 20 will also comes with 4G support variant, which is actually a good news, since the 5G support makes a device $100 to $200 expensive to its actual price. The 4G variant will be a lot cheaper, and according to users, the 5G network is not working properly. So it will take time to work properly, which we may see in 2021 or early 2022. The Samsung's previous phone, S20 Ultra, disappointed its consumers due to its heating problems and a focus issue with its rear camera. So now we hope that the Samsung will come with something big and won't disappoint the Samsung fans again. Talking about the design, the Galaxy Note 20 will likely have all of the Note's usual ports, including a slot for Samsung's signature S Pen. There also seems to be an extra large camera module of 600 megapixel, which is insane. We know that the normal human eye has 500 megapixel, so to develop such high megapixels camera, it will need a longer time. More recently, leaker Ronald posted a photo showing off a Galaxy Note 20 inlay mold that contains a Galaxy S20 Ultra sized camera layout. According to Leakster Ice Universe, there will be two Note 20 models, that is Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus, which would keeping with Samsung's recent history with the Note lineup. Like I reported in previous video of Galaxy S21, Samsung is trying to fit a soft display front-facing camera behind the Note 20's screen that will disappear when not in use. Xiaomi and Oppo have produced concept phones with this technology, though no manufacturer has been able to release such device yet. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will use Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset or 865 Plus, since we don't like the Exynos 990 on the S20 series. Talking about processor, the Samsung Note 20 will be powered by 7nm or 6nm mobile processors. These chips will consume less power due to their small size, making them more optimal for 5G and automotive applications while also allowing for slimmer designs. The Ice Universe tweeted that the Note 20 will feature a more fine-tuned version of 120Hz refresh rate displays that debuted on the Galaxy S20 series. We know the S20 cannot use 120Hz at full QHD resolutions, but if Samsung is able to address this for the Note 20 series, we would enjoy both maximum smoothness and fidelity. Now let's talk about the battery. The Galaxy Note 20 will get a 4000 mAh battery, which is a nice upgrade from 3500 mAh of Note 10, and the Note 20 Plus could get 4500 mAh battery. Talking about the release date, the reputable Twitter leakster Max Weinberg tweeted that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 could launch as soon as July along the rumored Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. This lines up with Samsung's typical release schedule for its Note devices, which normally launched by August of every year. So that's all we know about the Galaxy Note 20. Let us know what do you think about this phone in comment section below. Till then, stay tuned.